Welcome to this video on how to grant access to Google Ads the right way. You might be having some trouble with this, but hopefully this video makes it a lot clearer. First of all, why would you need to grant people access to Google Ads? First of all, a new member might have joined the team. You might hire a freelancer or PPC consultant. That's what I do. So if you're interested in that, please get in touch. You bring in a digital marketing agency. You want someone just to audit the account. I do a free audit as well if you're interested. Or your accountant might need it for some sort of reporting. But I'm going to show you exactly how you can give those people access. Well, the first thing you need to do is go to your Google Ads account, go on admin, and then click on access and security. Here you will see everybody that has got security. For example, for right now on this account, it is just me. All you need to do, first of all, which a lot of people screw up on, is go to security. Here you will see allowed domains, and what you need to do is, for example, if somebody's email is jonny@gmail.com, you need to give access to that domain, for example, gmail.com. I will save that. And this will allow you to invite people from those domains. This is what a lot of people mess up with and they wonder why it's not working. It's all to do to security. Once that has done, you need to go to the users, click on this plus button, and then just grant somebody access. Just put their email in, for example, this one. Say if you want to give them access for a particular date. For example, if you're giving somebody a free audit, if you're getting a free audit for somebody, you might just give them a week and then it clears from their list. And choose what sort of account level you want as well. So you've got full admin level, but for example, if you want somebody just to look at the billing info, maybe it's your accountant, you can choose that. But just read over these and see what is best for your choice. So grant them whatever level you want, and then click send it invitation. This will send them over an email where they just need to confirm that they want access to this and if it's all legit. So they need to just go in their email, click accept, and then they will be on your account. They will see it on their account list once they click on top right. If you're working with a freelancer or an agency and they have like an account list and they want to connect their account to your account, all they need to do is go to accounts and then basically link the existing account. So that kind of puts, you don't really need to do anything when it comes to that. They need to request that. And once they do link their account, as so, all you need to do is go to access security, review the pending manager requests, and approve the link. So very similar to what we were just doing. And also with this, you probably will receive an email that somebody has requested. You just need to confirm that it is legit. And before we finish the video, I just want to talk about a bit of common mistakes. Sometimes I would be very careful of what sort of control you give this other person. I've seen some horror stories where people have given like a Google Ads agency full access to their account, and once they want to part ways, they kind of hold them to ransom. Don't do that. Try to give them as little access as they require. Also, there's like the typical things as well. Do not share login details, not restricting allowed domains. This is kind of a standard thing. Just be very careful who you give access to. And that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I do loads of other tutorials on my YouTube channel when it comes to Google Ads. So yeah, check them out. Thank you.